Surge coming back at you today. I wanted to talk a little bit about rhodium. And before I get started, I wanted to give props to Josh Galt. His video actually made me a little more interested in rhodium and look deeper into it as a potential investment. So what is rhodium? Well, rhodium is a very rare silvery white hard chemically inert transition metal. It is a member of the platinum groups. So it's found in mixtures of platinum and other platinum group metals and nickel in those ores. So it's a so-called noble metal, which means it's resistant to corrosion. And basically, it's used for mostly for catalysts and catalytic converters in cars. It's also alloyed with platinum and palladium, other metals, for different purposes. Like in silver, it's used to resist, to help resist tarnish. So, and it's also used in different spark plugs for airplanes, thermocouples, different instruments that require this attribute of corrosion resistance. So about 80% of it comes out of South Africa. And now, when we look into rhodium as an investment, what can we get? Well, this is basically the only available form of physical rhodium I've been able to find that you can purchase, at least easily. Now, rhodium in this form is totally stable, but you mix it with chlorine, and it can be a deadly combo, but in this pure form, it's totally stable and safe. So they make this 1 ounce bar with a serial number, which I like, and authentication packaging. This gives you a little size comparison. Now, when we look at the price, well, what has the price been throughout history? We're looking at a buying opportunity, right? You don't want to buy something at the high and sell it at the low. You want to do the opposite. You want to buy something as close to the bottom as you can and sell it as close to the top as you can. Well, looks like we had a big top here in 2008. During the summer of 2008, and most of the beginning of 2008, rhodium was in the $9,000 range. So that is very, very, that's a bubble almost, very, mining hypes up at this point, and people started selling right around, let's look, right around August 2008, it started having big selling, drop off in price. Then it was cut in half September, October, and the financial crisis even drove a lot of asset prices down. So we get all the way from 2008, it goes from $9,000 to $1,000. So that's a big move. Now, you would think around this range, $1,000 might be a buying opportunity if you've seen it that high. So in 2009, it touches 900 for a little bit, and if you had bought then, it'd be great because it started to rebound. And you get this rebound all throughout 2010, and part of 2011, it's in the 2,000 to 2,700 range. So that would have been, you know, a selling point if you had bought in 2009. Now, it's been crashing recently with economic slowdown causing reduction in car sales, manufacturing, new technologies perhaps that use less rhodium, or the electric vehicles that don't have the same type of catalytic converter. And on top of this year, 2013, all of the metals we have seen get hit very hard. Silver and gold have lost a lot of value in the paper market. So we see 2013, this year, December so far is the cheapest month you could have purchased it, and it has touched the $900 level once again, close to $800. Now, we look at where we can buy this. This is the best deal I've found. Provident Metals, and I'll leave this link down below. and they actually have this item on delay. Item is delayed. So, but they are charging $1,024 when right now the price is actually about $920. We look here, this is the only market that trades, the only paper market trading rhodium. So about $921 right now, according to this paper market, or it's probably a little more, but obviously there's a premium. So the premium that Provident wants is $124 over spot. But what I've noticed is this price does not change. With gold, silver prices, they change all the time because silver gold is traded all the time. The price is changing. Platinum and palladium too. This price has been stuck at this for a week now. And I've seen it higher before. A few months ago when palladium or rhodium was selling for more, was higher. But so to me, if rhodium is about 920, they're saying 125, but this price hasn't changed. So I think that's a good deal on rhodium. Now I'm also going to look at other sources. We go to, let's say, APMEX. Well, you look for rhodium at APMEX, they have none. So they're not going to help. We go to Golden Eagle coins, and we see rhodium is available, but it is $1,070. So they want $50 more for this same bar. Let's check out eBay. Let's see, these are sold, so this is what things have actually sold for. So $11.25, this was about a month ago. This is all rhodium plated stuff. Now, this is a 5-ounce rhodium bar that went for, so that was about $1,100 an ounce. This is a 10th for $235, so that would be $2,300 at the ounce rate. $1,200 here in November. Now let's look more recently at some of the, forgive me, here we go, eBay deals. So more recently we see it at $10.50 free shipping. That's a great deal, but still Provident is better because I can get free shipping from them too. $185. Now if you're buying the 10th ounce right now, you're going to be paying $1,800 per ounce. That's your rate. So even though it's a more divisible amount, I don't think it's worth it to pay that much more, especially when you're already doing very high premium on this metal. So $1,300 here it's been sold for. So when we look at $1,024 and then you throw an ounce on there, of silver to get free shipping, that's a good deal. $1,050 for rhodium bar and an ounce of silver. So I pulled the trigger. I was a little scared, but I did it, and I'm going to hold on to this for a while. And right now the price is down here. Someday in the next decade, who knows, if the price creeps up, I'll sell it. But realistically, with dollar devaluation, with the central banks of the world printing currencies to oblivion, I think rhodium might be a good hold. Anything tangible might be a good hold. That's silver, gold, rhodium, platinum, palladium. But this is just another chip on the table, so to speak. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I will be making more metals videos all the time, and I hope you have a great day.